Hello, Arbuckle Elementary School, Mr. Brown here. And I want to say, you know what? I had a great time at your school. It was my first time being at Arbuckle Elementary, and you guys made me feel welcomed, although you didn't give me any cake or ice cream. But that's probably good for my waistline, because I don't need cake and ice cream right now. But thank you so much for just inviting me to your school. Listen, students, if you had a great time, I want you to do two things for me. Number one, look at your teacher and say, "Thank you, teacher." Yeah, go ahead, do it right now, do it right now.
Thank you, teacher.
Number two, if you enjoyed my time being there, make sure you take time to thank your principal when you see her. Tell her thank you for inviting Mr. Brown to our school. And I would really appreciate you telling her thank you, because she trusted me with you. Because listen, I want to leave your school the same way you should leave any place you go. Like if you go to somebody's house, you play with their toys, you should leave their house better than you found it.
Better than you found it.
Hopefully my message have helped you be better, because like we said, did you say it? When you make better choices, you will live a better life. So choose well.
Oh yeah!
Hopefully you didn't forget, whenever I say choose well, you say, oh yeah. Let me hear you. Choose well. I didn't hear you because I'm not there. You're there, I'm here, but you're there. If I was there, I would hear you say, but I'm here and I'm not there. I'm here and you're there, but hopefully you said choose well anyway. So, oh yeah, anyway. So choose well. Oh yeah. Hey, I got some videos for you. I want to follow up our time. I made some videos on the playground. I enjoyed playing basketball, doing push-ups, doing tetherball. And so all these videos will be found on the choosewellprogram.com/Arbuckle. So be looking for those videos. And hopefully your teacher will use some future videos of mine too, when I talk about respect, kindness, safety, responsibility, some of my favorite words. Y'all remember this? I am responsible for me. Yes, you are. So use responsibility, choose well, but I want to make this quick video simply to say thank you. So thank you. Thank you. And thank you. Remember, when you make better choices, you live a better life. So choose well. Oh yeah. Peace.